So you're thinking about buying a house and you need to get a loan. Where do you start? After all, there are plenty of lenders out there and they all want your business. They're all the same, right? I hate to tell you this, but that's a lie. A big lie. So what do? Who do you trust? The answer is coming right up, so don't go away. Hi, I'm Melissa Spittle, the local real estate expert serving Carroll County and the surrounding areas in Maryland. Welcome to this episode of Real Estate Unlocked. Yes, it's a lie that all loans to buy a house are the same. It's a lie that all lenders are the same. It's a lie that you need to put 20% down. Quite honestly, there's a lot of things buyers think are true about getting a loan that are actually incorrect. Why? Because there are options and choices depending on each person's situation. And there are lenders who are better choices than others. Let's talk about it in more detail. Let's face it, there are ads everywhere to apply for a loan to buy a house. They tell you how easy it is and how they're the best for you. But are they? Let's talk about what you really need to know and the top 5 questions you need to ask. The number one big question you need to ask is, are you local? Now, why would you need to ask this question? Let's say you choose a lender in another part of the country and you need to contact that lender with something that requires a really quick response. If it's 9 o'clock in the morning where you are, but only 6 or 7 where the lender is, how soon do you think you'll get that response? Certainly not when you contact them because they aren't even open yet. And certainly not the minute they open the door because they haven't even seen your inquiry yet. If you're lucky, you'll hear from that lender about 6 hours later, and that can be way too late. I can honestly tell you from my own experience that I've had buyers use lenders in other parts of the country. And whenever I need to contact that lender, it's a challenge due to the time difference. Oftentimes, they don't get back to me until the next day if I'm lucky. There are times when I have to try over and over to get a response. These delays can cause buyers to completely lose out on a house when they want to make an offer. The delays can also end up delaying the settlement. The next question you need to ask a lender is, when are you available? A lot of buyers look at houses during evenings and weekends. When they find a house they like and want to make an offer, they next need to reach out to their loan officer for an updated pre-approval letter. If the loan officer can't be reached evenings and weekends, they won't get that updated pre-approval and won't be able to make the offer. And that can easily cause them to lose out on the house. Imagine finding the house you like on a Friday night and your lender can't be reached until sometime Monday. That's a big problem, and it happens over and over again when a buyer uses a lender who can't be reached when they need them the most. Another question to ask is, what types of loans do you have? Now, why is that an important question? Aren't all loans the same? The truth is, all loans are not the same. Some lenders only offer a few different types of loans to buy a house. Meanwhile, other lenders offer a greater variety. And oftentimes, that greater variety is a much better option. For example, there's something called the Maryland Mortgage Program. Not every lender can offer a loan in that program, but the ones that do are a plus for some buyers. Do you really think a lender in Florida, Colorado, or California will offer you a loan in the Maryland Mortgage Program? Of course not. They don't even know about it. So once again, use a local lender who knows all the options in the area where you want to buy. Now here's another question. What are your interest rates and fees? Interest rates vary from one lender to another, and lenders will require you to pay certain fees. Wouldn't you want to save money by paying as few fees as possible? Do your homework and check out lenders and check out what they charge for their services before committing to one. Now here's something else you want to ask. How fast can you get a loan done? While many lenders can get a loan done and approved within about a month, others take longer, sometimes much longer. And that can ruin the chances of you buying a house when you're up against other buyers who can get their loan approved faster. If you found this video helpful, don't miss this next one. And if buying a house is in your future, you'll want to download a free copy of the Ultimate Home Buying Guide. It provides the step-by-step details on what to expect when buying a house in Maryland. Then, all you have to do is call me or text me to get started on your home journey. Let's make it fun. And you'll find that guide in the description box.